Good afternoon. I'm Michael Roberts, Dean of the Gupta College of Science here at Coastal Carolina University. First off, I want to congratulate you on your academic performance that has led you to be awarded a merit scholarship or admissions offers into the university's Honors College. In the College of Science, we enthusiastically welcome students like yourselves to join our community of scholars. The focus of all our programs is on hands-on learning, where students gain knowledge of their chosen fields by doing. From internships to research projects, students in the Gupta College of Science leave CCU with an ability to think critically and solve the crucial problems that will face them in their careers. Two programs I want to specifically mention are the Research Fellows Program and the Swain Scholars. You will hear more about the Swain Scholars later in this event today. The Research Fellows Program is designed to get motivated and high-performing students like you involved in independent research early in your college career, as soon as the second year. Thank you for your interest in Coastal Carolina University, and congratulations on your academic success.
Hello, I'm Rob Young, Interim Dean of the College of Graduate Studies and Research. Coastal Carolina University prides itself on providing experiential opportunities for its undergraduate students, including a large number of students who participate in undergraduate research. Undergraduate research is scholarship in every discipline. Often students work in a team with a faculty member and other undergraduate researchers and graduate students. Are you interested in a project on the fate of various viruses in our environment? Or helping to develop a test for COVID-19? How about exercise physiology and the impacts of various exercise and diet regimes? Is the environment your passion? Our students study topics such as water quality in our local waterways, regional monitoring and disaster planning for flooding and coastal erosion, the status of local fish and shark populations, and stream ecology and microbiology. Perhaps you're interested in another topic, such as COVID-19 impacts on homeless populations, recording oral histories from longtime residents in the region and state, the complexities of international relations and security, or the assessment of educational programs in our local schools. The list goes on, and our faculty and advisors are here to help you find a project that interests you. As a sophomore or junior, you can also apply for one of the many CCU undergraduate research fellowship positions available in every college. I invite you to discover your future through undergraduate research at Coastal Carolina University.
I am Dr. Sharon Thompson, and I am the coordinator of the Swain Scholars program. I have two questions for you. First, how would you like the opportunity to conduct research that addresses major health problems? And second, how would you like to gain professional skills such as implementing public health programs, analyzing research data, presenting your findings at national conferences, and publishing your work in peer-reviewed journals, all as an undergraduate? Now, what if I told you you could gain these valuable skills and receive a $10,000 scholarship during your junior and senior years? The Swain Scholars program at Coastal Carolina University is for high-achieving students and selected majors in the Gupta College of Science. Swain Scholars reach beyond the classroom and gain experiences that enhance their acceptance to and success in graduate and medical degree programs. They have researched difficult health problems such as the opioid crisis, homelessness, childhood obesity, and intimate partner violence, to name a few. So I ask you, will you be the next Swain Scholar?